Okay, today I want to show you something many people have been asking me about real estates in Kenya. But selling a real estate in Kenya can be very much daunting task. But if you have a right technique, it can be very easy. Now I'm going to give you 10 proven guides that will help you to sell your real estate very easy. Most of the people are asking me, how can I start selling my real estate, or how can I buy my real estate in Kenya? But now I've done a research and come up with these 10 guides that will actually help you. Now, let's begin. Number 1, understanding the Kenyan real estate market. Okay, if you want to be a successful person in selling real estate in Kenya, first you must familiarize yourself with Kenyan real estate market. You know, real estate industries in Kenya is growing very fast, and it is important to identify who is going to buy your real estate in Kenya. Okay, and also we have an overview of real estate industries in Kenya. The Kenya real estate market comprises of, maybe most of people don't know, housing, we have commercial property and land. The housing market has seen an increase in demand in recent years attributed to population growth, urbanization, and disposable incomes. Okay, we have challenges and trends and challenges in Kenyan real estate market. The Kenyan real estate market has experienced significant growth and development in recent years, with investors ambao wanatoka various parts of the world eyeing the market opportunities. However, challenges such as high interest rates and lack of accessibility, finance, and even corruption affects real estate industry very high. Sometimes someone can send his money to someone to buy a real estate, and that person is highly corrupted, so that's also a challenge to those people who are buying or selling the real estate. Number 3, you have to identify the potential buyer in the Kenyan market. To sell your house or any real estate in Kenya effectively, you must identify potential buyers in the market. This one will involve understanding their needs, what they prefer, and their buying behavior. Sometimes you may sell your product to somebody, and someone that you are selling to him is maybe a fraud. He wants to fraud your money and go away with your money. Now, the 6th one is when you prepare your property for sale. If you want to sell a house, maybe a story building, you have to prepare for it. Preparing the property for sale is very integral part of selling the process. This includes making necessary repairs and renovations, staging the property to attract buyers, and conducting a home inspections. When you inspect your real estate that you want to sell, you need to make sure that it is very smart. And also you have to make necessary repairs and renovations. Before putting your property on TV maybe and on social media, you have to make sure that you have repairs and renovations, so to make it look attractive. This can enhance property value and reduce the likelihood of complication during the selling process. Now, staging the property to attract buyers. Staging the property involves making it to look attractive to potential buyers. This means cleaning, rearranging furniture to give a proper, appealing, and looking. Okay. The next one is conducting a home inspection. Conducting a home inspection involves examining the property for defects and other issues that may affect the sale. This can help identify potential problems early and either address them or adjust the sale price accordingly. Now, this is a crucial part. Developing a marketing strategy. Developing a comprehensive marketing plan is crucial, reaching potential buyers and generating interest in the property. Creating a comprehensive marketing plan. Creating marketing plan involves identifying potential market channels and tailoring the message to reach the target audience. It is important to create a consistent message across channels to reinforce brand awareness and avoid confusion. Now, this is also very important. Advertising the property online and offline. Advertising the property both online and offline can increase the likelihood of reaching potential buyers who may not have found the property through conventional means. This includes listing the property on various websites, placing signal in front of the property, or advertising in local newspaper. Utilizing social media and other digital marketing channels. If you want to sell your real estate in Kenya here, you have to look into social media such as Facebook. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing real estate in Kenya. It can be used to create awareness, generate leads, and connect with potential buyers. Other digital marketing channels such as email marketing can also be useful in reaching interested parties. Bana, you need to price the property. Pricing the property. Setting the right price for the property is crucial in attracting potential buyers and generating interest. Setting the right price for the property, several factors need to be considered when determining the price of the property. This includes market condition, the property location, and also demand. Sometimes uziweke vitu vikue juu sana, maybe your real estate went juu kabisa, the market maybe imekuja chini, and also you should look at the location. Maybe watu hawaja, it's not urbanization, na unaweka price inaenda juu sana. So subscribe to this channel. The next episode I'll be listing factors that affects the prices of your real estates in Kenya. This is yours, Fundi Mose. Like the page, subscribe, and also share this video to your fellow people who want to buy real estate here in Kenya. Boom! Fundi Mose.